Hi, I'm Lulu, and today we're going to celebrate Mother's Day. Now I've got some very special ways we can help celebrate that. Now this is a fun activity that you can do with your mum, your sister, your dad. It doesn't have to be mum, but this is a fun activity we can do to spoil the person that you love. I've got some very special helpers here today, and I can't wait to show you what we're going to do to spoil our mums. You don't have to do this on Mother's Day. You can do this any old day. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, come with me. Let's go. Bowl for me. There you go. All of them if you can. Oh wow! Put some in there. Do you want to pop some flowers in? Yeah, you can pop some anyone. Oh wow! Good job, guys. How beautiful! Oh, good job. To do is have some beautiful flowers. You can pick these from the garden if you like, and we've got some Epsom salts if you'd like to add them into our beautiful foot bath, and we also have some essential oils if you have some around the house, and you can just pop these in a jar as well if you want to. Put them all in our beautiful bath. We also have a little bit of oil in here too, which makes it so nice for our mums and a beautiful time just to enjoy some pampering. Are you ready? Let's go. All right, ready? You can help me. All right, we're going to pop some beautiful salts in here. You can help me. Do you want to pop them in our beautiful bath for me? Yeah, good job. Is it nice and warm? Oh, beautiful. Okay, now from there, we're going to pop in some beautiful oils too. Need a little bit of help with this one. This just makes it smell really nice. A little bit in the lid. Let's put it straight in, that's okay. Oh, wow, can you smell that? Does it smell nice? Mmm. Should we put a little bit of oil in too? Do you want to mix it all in together? What do you think? You can mix it with your finger if you like, because it'll just make your fingers smell really nice. Oh, stir it all in. It'll make her feel nice and relaxed with a beautiful foot bath. All right, you ready? So here you go, Mum. Say, I love you, Mum.
Love you, Mum.
Oh, yay, good job. Beautiful. You say Happy Mother's Day, Mum.
Happy Mother's Day, Mum.
Another thing you can do for Mum is make some fruit infused water. Just makes it a little bit nicer to help with their pampering. So all you need is a little bit of water, and I've got some helpers here. Let's make a beautiful infused water. All right, some blueberries, some grapes. Oh, yummy grapes. Some strawberries, some oranges. Oh, and a little bit of water. Delicious. They're gonna love this delicious drink. Delicious drink. Your delicious drink. Here we have another craft activity that you can do to pamper your mums. Now we have lots of things that you probably already have at home, and we're going to make a special perfume for our mums, or a little bit of a potion. So we have our beautiful flowers here. We have a white flower. Let's see what else we have in here. A yellow flower. I call that pink. Pink, purple, it's a little bit in between. Now this one's pink. Pink. A red flower. Ooh, what else? Purple. and a little bit of green leaves as well. Are you ready? All right, all you need to do is get your beautiful flowers, and you can have lots of ways that you can crush them up nice and small. You might even like to do it in a bigger bowl. All right, let's crush all these flowers up. You mix it all together. Ooh, beautiful mixing. Let's squish them all together, that's it. We're gonna pop it in a little funnel. Do you wanna help too? Lots of helpers here today. We'll squish it all in as much as we can in our beautiful bottle. We squish it in, oh, there it goes. That's it. Oh, that smells so beautiful. What do you think? Need some water? That's all you need, a little bit of water.
Yes.
Oh, look at it go. We've got our beautiful perfume ready to go for our mums. Are you ready for a little spray?
Yes.
Do you want to smell absolutely beautiful?
Yes.
Let's go give it to one of our mums. Off you go. Go, go, go. Bye, everyone. Smells delicious. Oh, ready? Oh, beautiful. Hugs and kisses. You go give your mum a big hug and a big kiss. Good boy. Can you give mum a big hug and a big kiss? Oh, good boy.
It's your turn.
Wait, it's my turn. This is so nice. Thank you so much. I had such an amazing time with you today. It is so nice to take time to spoil the ones that we love, and I'm sure they would really appreciate it. And most of this stuff you have in your own backyard or in your kitchen, anywhere around the house. Just step outside, enjoy nature, and enjoy me in making every day magical. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching this Lulu video. Adults, if you and the kiddies in your life like my offerings, then please give me a like, a follow, and a subscribe, and I'd love a share. And join me in making every day magical.